Yo, A-Rap, I really
Put a lamb of money on my neck of money ring.
It's my name, and that boy with your ain't no pain, no gain, it's in a Monday.
Higher powers taking hold on me.
Hey guys, hello USA, England, Canada, Australia, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, Poland, Brazil, Denmark, Philippines, Netherlands, Austria, New Zealand, and others. Welcome back to my channel, and it's still with me, Elok Hsu. So basically, here is where we do a lot of reaction videos together, especially to classic rock music. Today, we're gonna be reacting to a song called Bird of Prey by Uriah Heep. Uriah Heep are an English rock band formed in London in 1969. They have been referred to as the pioneers of heavy metal, hard rock, and progressive rock genres. They have sold over more than 40 million albums worldwide. A lot of people did want me to react to this song, so here it is, and I really hope everyone enjoys. If you guys also want to check out my PayPal and Patreon, here are the links. And also don't forget to check out the ones in the descriptions if you want to see some original merch or buy me a coffee as well. It will help me a lot. That's it, and now without further ado, let's go straight ahead and listen to it. It's Uriah Heep time.
Stuff for you then, see if you remember this song. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The vocals and harmonies are incredible. Are they even real? Insane. It's so classic and epic. One of the best rock songs ever written, in my honest opinion. A solid classic hard rock tune. Rest in peace, David Byron and Ken Hensley. I got goosebumps when I first listened to that intro. The music of my heart and soul for eternity. Song was written almost 50 years ago and still just doesn't get old. Long live Uriah Heep. Bernie is an amazing singer, and anyone who says otherwise is just deaf. Keep on rocking, 70s style. If you guys got taste, then you will absolutely love this song. If you guys don't like it and actually do say that, then I think you deeply have a problem in your life and you should definitely go for a cup of coffee. If you don't agree, then I think we're gonna have a little bit of a problem, so let's fight. And I think that's it for this video. I really hope I can see you guys tomorrow, especially if you need more cowbell. Can you guess what song I'm gonna be reacting to for tomorrow? This is how I said, music can unite us guys. We're a family in both music and humanity. I hope you all stay well and healthy. God bless you. I really do just love you all, and it's still with me, Elok Hsu.